In this video, I'll show you how to remove a Google business profile in 2026. If you no longer want to manage a business profile or you've sold the business, this guide will walk you through the correct process. First, sign in to the Google account that manages your business profile. Open Google Business Profile and select the business you want to remove. Before removing the profile, remember that removing yourself as an owner is different from deleting the business listing from Google. If you simply want to stop managing the business, go to * Business Profile Settings ***, select * People and Access, choose your account, and remove yourself as an owner or manager if another verified owner is available. This will remove your access while keeping the business visible on Google. If the business has permanently closed or never existed, update its status accordingly instead of trying to remove it. Google may continue displaying legitimate businesses on search and maps to provide accurate information to users. After completing the necessary steps, confirm that your changes have been saved. If you removed your access, sign out and verify that you no longer manage the profile. That's how to remove a Google business profile in 2026. If this tutorial helped you, please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and watch our other Google business profile guides. Thanks for watching.